Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, we'll delve how you can health check your target CPA. Your target CPA is the maximum amount you're willing to spend to acquire a single customer. So, what does CPA means? It's a metric that reflects the average cost you incur to acquire a new customer. Consider all expenses related to customer acquisition such as advertisement spend, sales, commissions, and marketing materials. You can estimate your target CPA based on two key factors from our Nifty calculator, which is very easy to use interface. Here you see two input conversion rate and the average CPC. Conversion rate is the percentage of website visitors or ad clicks convert into paying customers. Average CPC, what's the average cost you incur each time someone clicks on your ad? So CPC is nothing but cost per click. Now, let us say you have a historical data of your conversion rate, which is 5%. That means 5% of website visitors convert into paying customers, and your average CPC is $0.50. Simply have hit calculate. Based on this calculation, your target CPA is $10, which means ideally you shouldn't spend more than $10 on average to acquire a new customer through your chosen marketing channel, assuming this aligns with your overall business profits. Now, what is the action insights? You can compare your target CPA to what you are actually spending. Is your average CPC currently lower than $10? That's great. Your customer acquisition efforts are cost effective. If your average CPC higher, then consider strategies to reduce average CPC, negotiate better ad rates, refine your targeting, or explore alternative marketing channels. Or you can simply improve conversion rate, enhance your landing pages, refine your call to actions, or streamline the checkout process to increase conversion. Remember, this is a simplified version, and there are multiple factors that might influence your target CPA. However, it provides a valuable starting point for your health check. So, you can check out the calculator by following the link in the description. You can check out our more health check series calculator from our website upgrow.in. Simply visit our homepage. Under the resources section, you can find multiple marketing related calculators, or you can simply look up for multiple health check calculator on Upgrowth on search engine will be ranking first for it. If you're interested in a growth partner, book a consultation with a growth hacking specialist. Try out this calculator from the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you optimize your online business. Thanks for watching.